Senator Thangwah Paul Karungo.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Yes, I am Paul Karungo wa Thangwah, the Senator of Kiambu County. And Mr. Speaker, I don't have a problem when Senator Chute refers me to Wamunyoro. We are happily associated with Wamunyoro and all the people. Thank you very much. Mr. Speaker, I want to comment on the statement that was requested by Senator Eddie Okech, who is also goes by another name, Gisheru. Mr. Speaker, when it comes to county insuring the hospital equipment, there is a big problem, Mr. Speaker, because what happens is that they budget for the monies, Mr. Speaker, but they never insure those equipments. And when that happens, Mr. Speaker, we ask questions, where does the money go, Mr. Speaker? And it's not only for the equipment, even ensuring the civil servants or the county workers, and especially in Kiambu County, Mr. Speaker. And I requested for a statement here on the floor of this House in 2023 to the Health Committee, and I've never gotten a response, Mr. Speaker. I wanted to know, why did the county government of Kiambu take all the insurance, health insurance, from NHIF then, which is SHA today, to a private entity called MOA, Mr. Speaker? I've never gotten that response, Mr. Speaker, because the people of Kiambu, the workers of Kiambu County, they are suffering because the private insurance company is not insuring every medical aspect of their bills, Mr. Speaker. So there is an issue that, as we look into this issue, the chairman for health, the one you referred the statement to, they must also answer to the floor of this House. Why would we allow counties to insure their workers to a private entity, Mr. Speaker? Mr. Speaker, in regards to the health issues, Kiambu is also suffering, Mr. Speaker, because of the ongoing doctor strike, Mr. Speaker. And I know you saw it in the social media, on your TV, that a father lost his child, holding his child in a hospital called Guakana, Mr. Speaker. And sometimes we are blaming the doctors, yet it is not the doctors who are to blame. It's the government that is not paying them their salaries. It's the government that is delaying their salaries. There is procedural transfers, Mr. Speaker, from these doctors. If you are seen that you are not giving good answers to the governors, you are transferred to a health center. From a health center, by the time you settle, you go to a level 2, from a level 2, and all that, Mr. Speaker. What I'm trying to say, Mr. Speaker, we should look into all the issues affecting workers within the hospitals, Mr. Speaker. And again, as I conclude, there is disinfectional health insurance scheme, the one I just talked about in Kiambu County. Kindly, Mr. Speaker, order or tell the chairman for health to give me my statement back or to answer to my statement. I don't know what is happening, Mr. Speaker, and I do not want to cast aspersions, because for 2 years, I haven't received a response from my statement. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Senators, in my early communication, and allocated 20 minutes for statement hour, but I have realized that the senators sitting on my left, their system was not working. So I want to give just 2 senators from this side, Senator Ososi Gonfli and Senator Sifuna. Then we go to the, what is it, Senator Seki? Both of you and Senator Mutina just raising hands like, I don't understand. Senator Ososi?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to comment on the statement by Senator Eddie Okech regarding insurance coverage for hospital assets. Mr. Speaker, this statement, I think, is emanating from audit queries before CPIC committee regarding the issue of planned property and equipment in our various hospitals, where most of those properties or assets are not insured. And there are various reasons why that has occurred. One is that some of these equipment are leased equipment. So I think it's important for the committee to dig deeper into this matter, to look at the lease agreements and see what it says in regards to maintenance of those equipment and insurance for those equipment. But Mr. Speaker, I want to urge the committee to go beyond looking at insurance of assets. They also need to look at the ownership of assets in our hospitals. Mr. Speaker, we have audit queries on the issue of ownership of hospital assets. Some of the hospitals in our counties do not even have land titles, Mr. Speaker. The titles are either owned by the defunct local authorities, or some do not have a title at all. For example, Mr. Speaker, yesterday Garissa appeared before us, and we were surprised the Garissa Referral Hospital does not have a title, a land title. This is a serious issue that the committee should look at, and not just the insurance aspect only. They need to look at the status of ownership of all the assets. We are talking about equipment, we are talking about land, we are talking about building, we are talking about machinery, and we are talking about even motor vehicles, Mr. Speaker. This is a serious issue. The committee should actually bring back to this House a detailed report on ownership and management of assets in our hospitals. Mr. Speaker, I want to support this statement.
Senator Amina Kibwana.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I also wanted to support Senator Eddie's statement on insurance coverage for hospital assets. Mr. Speaker, this story, of course, it's the same story of the medical equipment, the mess. And I always keep on saying mess is always messy. And when you bring such statements, actually, they don't go through. I don't know why. I had a statement for the mess equipments for the last 2 years, and it has not gone through yet. The insurance is important for these facilities, Mr. Speaker, especially looking at the theft, looking at the breakdown of facilities, looking at the consequential loss insurance, Mr. Speaker, is important. When we visited Kenyatta Hospital, we realized many equipments, equipments are not functioning. And like what Senator Mariam said, that if only they were insured, then we would have replacement of these equipments, Mr. Speaker. Even in the ICU in Kenyatta Hospital, you find equipments that are not working because maybe they were not insured. And if they're insured, then we would have had replacement of such. It is very sad. And those counties, I really want to encourage the Committee for Health, or maybe the Public Investment Committee, to look into this matter. And also, I also want to support Senator Morango on the rice in Mwea. The Pishori rice in Mwea used to be our pride in Kenya, Mr. Speaker. But unfortunately, it's not the case nowadays. It's unfortunate that there's no motivation with the farmers. I remember the rice, we didn't have to push for any market, but we only had to, everyone used to scramble for the Pishori rice in Mwea. But then now, unfortunately, the Pishori rice, regardless of how much, it cannot be sold. I don't know where the issue started, but, it's both also the Ministry of Agriculture to motivate the farmers, Mr. Speaker. I also encourage that the government should protect local rice farmers from market distortions caused by imported rice, Mr. Speaker. The imported rice, that's what we go for, unfortunately, nowadays. So immediately the farmers are motivated, then they will up their game for the quality rice, and Kenyans, of course, will scramble for the Pishori Mwea rice again. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Last but not the last, Senator Seki Lenku.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, for this great opportunity that you have given to me. I also wanted to put my voice to the statement sought by Senator Gishiro, Senator Migori, on the issue of the insurance of medical equipments in our hospital, Honorable Speaker. This is a very important statement that has come on the right time when we have a big problem in our hospital, particularly even Kenyatta National Hospital here in Nairobi. Honorable Speaker, just a few days ago, we had a problem in Kenyatta Hospital where we have a breakdown of chemotherapy machine, and most of Kenyans have really suffered on this issue. So this statement has come the right time to sort this problem on issues of maintenance, issues of servicing of these machines,